I just want to say this for the last time. If you meet me for road,
see, make this one be last warning to you. If you see me for road, waka pass. Because this body na my body, no be your body. Hey, my people, it does set again. Now welcome back to my channel. How una dey? This one when I carry console na serious matter, and it makes sense well. It makes sense. I want to talk about one of the best Nollywood superstars. When you dey talk about superstars, now this will be the real superstars for Nollywood when we not really know, when we not recognize, because they know they go naked, but they are the real superstar. So my people, the one I carry call today now about Mary Ijoku, Mary Remi Ijoku. Now our popular Nollywood superstar, our popular Nollywood actress, the CEO of Rock. This lady went to her what is it called, her Instagram page this afternoon. She come dey vermouth, like she dey vex, come dey tell some people say make dem leave her alone. Like e be like say people go see her for road, dey tell am say as the CEO of Rock TV, e no suppose to dey look like this, e no suppose to carry this kind wig, e suppose to brush the wig, e suppose to wear this, e no suppose to dress like this. So e be like say the talk don too much na the girl vex come outside come address the issue. I no understand wetin be the problem with Nigerians. Must everybody live an Instagram lifestyle? Because na Instagram lifestyles na most of our superstar come dey live. Instagram lifestyle wey be say they want to dress like boss, but for their pocket they are not really the boss. Their account dey show red. So today na Mary Remi come outside come address the issue for people wey dey disturb her, even for road. They'll see her for road, stop her, come dey tell her rubbish of how she not to take dey dress like superstar. Even me as I dey talk this matter, so me dey vex. Wetin dey happen? You go just see your fellow woman for road, you just come dey tell am say you no dress well, you no do your hair well, you know, is she smelling? She come out dirty? No, just because she doesn't go naked or she no dey slay for her page. Everybody get the reason wey make an open page. You when you open Instagram page, you have your reason. You anybody when get YouTube channel, he get reason. Remi now Mary, they tell people say she get reason wey make her open Instagram page. And if you dey talk say you be her follower, and because of say she no dey go naked, she no dey dress like boss, she no dey slay for Instagram like the rest dey do am, you want to follow her, he say you are free to unfollow her. And again she come still talk say if you dey talk say because some people dey tell her say you are my role model but you are not living to the standard, she say she no do again, she no wan be your role model again. Make you go choose your sister or your mama as role model. Na wetin she talk, no be me talk am. So before I let the video play, I say make I first explain to una. I no know, so people just sit down, they'll carry another person matter for head. Mary Remi is a decent woman. You don't hear about her marriage on social media. You don't hear say na her marriage they come dey talk about today for social media, or they come dey bring scandal about her. No, she's unique. She's a virtuous woman, a wife. So she not supposed to come Instagram call the slave before you know say she's a boss. No, those one be the boss ladies. You don't need to come outside come show who you be before people know say you na boss ladies. She na boss lady on her own, and she's a lady that I respect so much. So my people, I go let you now listen to the video by una self. And if you're new to this channel, you're just coming across this channel, this is Goody Gist TV, where we dey put the real gist as it be. We know they do fake for this channel. And if you never subscribe, please support your girl. Smash that subscription button, put on the bell notification so that the gist they land, we they drop on here. Now you go be the first person to get notified. And feel free to share our video. To share now free now. They know they use money pay. YouTube know they charge you to share video. And to subscribe now free. YouTube doesn't charge when it comes to subscription. So my people, I go leave the video for now. Now more than list about myself. So Nigerians, I bet more than leave Mary Remi. Everybody must not be a slave mama. Everybody must not be a media person like slay mama. slave for Instagram and for house 0, slave for Instagram and account dey show red, slave for Instagram and at the end of the day nothing dey pocket. So I go leave the video and make you leave your opinion below for the comment section. Thank you.
I just want to say this for the last time. If you meet me for road and you don't know what to say beyond Mary, if I come this week now, Mary, as the CEO of Rock, you don't have to be looking local. Mary, you are looking like this. I beg, if you don't get anything to tell me beyond those things, shut up. No greet me. I no go see you, you no go see me. People wey know me know say if I wear my face mask, in fact, I dey run. No greet me, leave me. Wetin? Mary this, Mary dress like this, Mary dress like this. Now your body. Now your body. Oh, you role model. No, I no do again. I no be your role model. No, use me do role model. I get children where they use me do role model. Use your mama and your sister do role model. Leave me. Leave me. Let me live my life the way I want to live it. People are so focused on looking like a boss these days than actually focusing on being a boss, doing the job. And people like now they lead this new generation astray. Waiting. Upon everything I don't achieve, oh Mary, your mates are dressing, your mates are not get mate. My name is Mary Njoku, and they no born anybody. I did my lane. And I focus for my lane. If anybody again, I don't care if you're following me, you meet me for road, you start talking about, I should dress like this, I should dress like, be sure that day, you are dressed like Angelina Jolie, because God will go punish you that day if you are looking very trashy. I go finish you. Amina, I beg, leave me now. If you want to follow people where they slay, leave my page. No, my page not be for slaying. It's not for slaying. It's not. I have a life and I'm enjoying it. And 1,000 of you guys will not make me do what I don't want to do or don't feel like doing. I'm not here to dress. I'm not a mannequin to dress for you so that you see you buy the clothes. I'm not a mannequin. Leave me. I get better. The person they think of how to take over the world. Some people they think of, oh, which clothes you style yourself. Wear this. I bet leave me. Leave me.
So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to leave your opinion in the comment section. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, support your guests, smash that subscription button, and also put on the bell notification so that when we upload, you will be the first to get notified. Thank you. See you all in our next video. Bye.